all happened when one day I was riding along on Thunder. Come on, boys, go. And well, I was talking to him, as you're meant to do to a horse. And it was snowing. That's why it happened. How and why. We were just cantering along the road. And when suddenly whoa! And that's how I got put off riding. One. My name is Katie, by the way, and this is where my story starts. Soon enough, soon, I would be here. Going back, this is how my story started. That day, I broke my leg and my wrist, but unfortunately, old Thunder here broke two of his legs. Had to go. So the only thing we had to do to him to make him feel better